Listen, I got a job for you.
What do you need?
Need you to break down the top 5 rides, Universal, tomorrow.
I think I can do that.
Alright, well, family needs you. You in? You out?
Family first.
Just ride.
And we are off to Transformers to start our day. It's a really nice family ride. You get to seat 4 per row, so you can take up to 3 kids on with you if they reach the height requirement of 40 inches, which is absolutely perfect. The best part of all is most of the rides, actually all of the rides at Universal, you can take your entire family on with you. We have an 8-month-old son. If we want to wait in the queue with him and then switch off and go into child swap, we can do that. So nobody has to wait outside if you don't want to. The whole entire family can stay together. It's super convenient. Every single ride here, whether your kids can get on or not, you're allowed to keep your entire family with you.
So number 4 was Fast and Furious. What do you think about that one?
Well, the kids seem to love it. So I guess that's all that matters, is that they're having fun.
Yeah, the height limit is 40 inches, so little ones can ride too. But, I mean, honestly, the less said about Fast and Furious, the better. Not my favorite. I'll take Beetlejuice and
I miss Beetlejuice.
yeah, and everything else. But hey, it's the kids love it, so that's all that matters, right? Moving on. Number 3 is Simpsons. Not much to unpack with this one. It is good. The height requirement is 40 inches and above. It's been here for actually about 14 years now, almost 15 years. So it's definitely earned a spot here at Universal. I like Back to the Future. I was riding that ride when I was a kid, and to be honest, I wish we had that one, but we'll take what we can get. Simpsons is still a very solid attraction. We're going based off of the top 5 best attractions. So Simpsons is a little bit more strong than your typical swirling type ride.
I never noticed that a lot of the games that they have out here in Krusty Land are inside the ride, like the Whack-A-Rat and the Mr. Burns Radioactive Rings, the Happy Little Elves in Panda Land thing. I didn't realize all that stuff was inside the ride.
I'm starting to think I know which park is better for families. I'd be curious as to know you guys' thoughts too on that one.
All right, it's time to make our way over to the number 2 spot. Deciding that the best placement for Minions would be number 2. The height requirement is 40 inches, which is a bit tall for a ride that's for children. However, if you do have kids that are not tall enough to ride the ride, you can always go ahead to stationary seating. If you don't want to be on the ride and be shaking and stuff because you have motion sickness, you can also go and sit in stationary seating, and it's usually less of a wait. Based on the surrounding area, I wonder if you could take a guess at what the number 1 spot is. So we might be a little bit biased, being that E.T. is our number 1 pick, because it's our kids' absolute favorite ride in any of the parks that they have ever gone to. Let me tell you why it's our number 1 pick. It's a 34-inch height limit, which is one of the lowest height requirements that you'll have in all of the parks.
E.T. has been a staple in our family for years. I mean, I have so many fond memories of coming and riding E.T. when I was their age. And it never ceases to amaze me. Like, it's so wild that I'm bringing my kids on the same ride that I used to ride when I was a kid. It'll never get old. It's literally our favorite ride. It is the best, de facto number 1 family park ride at Universal. It's been here forever. Everyone knows it and loves it. You can't do any better than E.T. And always remember, there's nothing more important than family.